Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a versatile grooming tool that many of you might find essential, the Wahl Groomsman Rechargeable Beard Trimmer Kit, Model 5622V. We discovered this product online and have included a link in the description, so you can check the latest prices and availability. The Wahl Groomsman is not just your average beard trimmer, it's a comprehensive grooming kit designed to keep your facial hair in top shape. This kit features a rechargeable beard trimmer that offers an impressive run time of up to 60 minutes on a single charge. That means you can tackle your grooming routine without being tethered to an outlet, making it perfect for use at home or on the go. One standout feature of the Groomsman is its precision-ground blades. Made from high-carbon stainless steel, these blades stay sharp longer, ensuring a clean, smooth trim every time. The trimmer comes with a 6-position beard regulator, allowing you to achieve multiple beard lengths with ease. Whether you prefer a stubbly look or a neatly trimmed beard, this trimmer has you covered with various lengths from 1/16 inch to ½ inch. In addition to the beard trimmer, the kit includes a bonus wet/dry battery-operated nose trimmer. This is a fantastic addition for those who want to keep their grooming routine comprehensive and tidy. The nose trimmer features a rinseable head, making it easy to clean up after use, and it's designed to tackle unwanted hair in sensitive areas. With a total of 14 cutting lengths available, the Wahl Groomsman is suitable for anyone looking to maintain their beard or mustache. It's perfect for men who want to experiment with different styles, whether you're going for a rugged look or a more polished finish. The adjustable guide combs and various styling options allow for customization, ensuring that you can achieve the beard you want. One of the main advantages of this trimmer is its dual voltage capability. This means you can use it anywhere in the world, whether you're at home or traveling internationally. The kit comes with an adjustable guide comb, 3 stubble combs, and 4 hair guide combs, so you have all the tools necessary for any grooming situation. Practical use cases for the Wahl Groomsman are numerous. If you have a busy lifestyle and prefer to groom at home, this trimmer makes it easy to keep your facial hair looking sharp without having to visit a barber frequently. It's also an excellent choice for those who might be new to beard grooming and want a reliable tool that can grow with them as they experiment with different styles. In summary, the Wahl Groomsman Rechargeable Beard Trimmer Kit is a top-notch grooming companion for men of all ages. With its ergonomic design, precision blades, and versatile trimming options, it caters to a wide range of grooming needs, making it a valuable addition to your personal care routine. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.